There's a crop of women. You meet them day one. In the evening, gas imeisha. Sijui nitumie 2K urgently. Ni nini mbaya na nyinyi? You know, you might meet a good man today, but you look too needy. And then you are asked, what are you bringing to the table? I am the table. Way back to your furniture mentality. That furniture mentality, si kwenye nyumba when we are changing the furniture, you'll be one of the things that are going to be changed. Even men, listen. Men want women who can stand on their own and can bring something and can take care of children when the men are gone. Am I right, men? This thing of, in fact, let me say, I'm going to liberate some men here today. It is not your business as a man, as long as you are courting. Is there any other young man here I should point at his face? No, there is no one. As long as you are courting, it is not your business to pay bills for your girlfriend. Can I say that again? Weka hii TikTok, narudia, weka TikTok. The only responsibility of taking care of a woman is on their father or their husband.
Get the point. Take a step forward.